Welcome to today's teachings on pranayama. Today we're working with what's called the voweling pranayama. And this is using the sound of the voice to vibrate the different parts of the physical and energetic body. When we work with the sound, science has already proven that this can actually heal blockages at the physical and energetic level. Not only that, in yoga we know that we're working with the emotional and mental levels at the same time. So working with this sound is the opportunity to release things that may be preventing us from stepping into our full power at the different levels of our being, including the different energy centers in our energy body, which are known as chakras. And these chakras are related to every aspect of our human experience. When we talk about the chakras, we talk about physical aspects, emotional, mental, and energetic. Therefore, when we use the vowel sounds, we actually touch on every part of our being. It's a very powerful practice, and it can be used any time of the day, anywhere. And this is a practice that you can make either longer or shorter, depending on how much time you have. When we do the practice today, we're going to make each sound for 3 exhalations, but you can do for 5. Typically in my own practice, I do it for 7 breaths, 7 exhalations with each sound. And it takes about 12 to 15 minutes to do that. But today we're just going to do 3 to give you the demonstration, and you can decide what's best for you later. So let's begin by understanding that the first vowel sound that we do, after we take a deep inhale through the nose, we open the mouth and we let out the sound ooh with a low tone. And we do that for the whole exhalation, and that vibrates the first 2 centers, the first 2 chakras, the root chakra and the second chakra. By working with this sound, it also heals the physical body related to this lower part of our body. When we go to the second sound, we're talking about working with the navel chakra. And that sound is oh. And as we move up through the chakra system, the tone starts as deep as we can without forcing it. And then it gets a little bit higher until it's the highest pitch here at the highest vowel sound in the head. After we work with the navel chakra, we move to the heart center. And in the heart center, we let out the sound ah for the whole exhalation. After moving from the heart, we go into the throat. And the throat, we make a nice smile, and we make the sound a for the whole exhalation. And finally, we come up to the third eye and the crown, the brain, and the centers that are related to the higher states of consciousness, and we make the sound E for the whole exhalation. So you can see as you move through this, you're going to change the tone a bit for each vowel sound, and you're going to impact the entire body. All of the organs are receiving vibration, and everything in this universe is made of vibration. That's why this is such a powerful practice. By working with different sounds, you create a different frequency, a different vibration, and it's going to help you to release energetic blockages, emotional, mental, and even physical blockages. It's a very healing practice, but it's also a meditative practice because that vibration changes our state of consciousness. So let's begin our practice by coming into your comfortable seat. I like to bring the first finger and thumb together and rest the hands on top of the legs. This helps to bring stability to the energy, the body, and the mind. Now, let's center ourselves for a moment with a deep, relaxing breath in through the nose and out through the mouth, sighing out the sound to help release any tension we might be holding on to. And we'll do one more together. Let's take a nice deep breath in through the nose. And really let it all go. Let go of the thoughts of the rest of the day and come into this moment for our practice together. We bring our awareness to the first 2 chakras at the root of the spine and just behind the pelvic bone in the spine, the second chakra. So remember, the first sound that we make after inhalation is ooh in a low tone. And we'll do 3 rounds together, and we'll just simply go through the practice together now. So let's begin at the bottom. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Ooh. keeping the eyes closed for a moment throughout this practice actually, and feeling the gentle vibration at the level of the base of the spine and just behind the pelvic bone in the spine and in the physical body. Now we move to the third chakra, the level of the navel. Remember to keep your mind focused at that point as you create the sound. The sound is O for the whole exhalation. Taking a deep breath in through the nose, keeping the eyes closed. Relaxing the body and mind and feeling that gentle vibration at the level of the navel. We continue our journey up through the chakras, moving into the heart center in the middle of the chest and in the spine behind the center of the chest. Keep the mind focused there. Wherever the mind goes, the energy flows. The vowel sound is ah for the heart center. Let's take a deep breath in together. Keep the eyes closed and we bring the awareness now to the pit of the throat and the spine behind the pit of the throat. And we feel the vibration, keeping the mind focused there as we make the smile with the mouth and let out the sound A for the whole exhalation. Let's do 3 rounds together with a deep inhale to begin. Moving to the final vowel sound, Sending that beautiful vibration into the brain and into the top 2 chakras, elevating our state of consciousness, calming the body and mind with the vowel sound E for the whole exhalation. Keep the awareness in the center of the brain and at the crown. Eyes closed as we take a deep breath in. Observing the effects of the practice, feeling the transformation as it's happening. So this concludes our voweling pranayama practice. Remember, you don't have to be too loud with the voice, just enough to send that vibration into the body. You don't want to hurt your voice or your throat. Try this and see how it feels, and remember, it's our responsibility to take care of our health and our evolution. So please incorporate these practices, pranayama, the breathing practices, into your daily life. You'll feel better, and the world around you will be happy to have you smiling at them. Thanks for joining us.